Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like doing this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 90 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 90, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the bulls can somehow manage to stay up above that 90-cent mark, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that's where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 90 cents, that would be great. However, from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? If you're watching level 2s today, I'm sure you know exactly where I'm headed with this, but for whatever reason, the sellers decided to come in, step right in there at the 95-cent mark. So 95 cents, public enemy number one going forward. Assuming there's no gap down or anything, it's looking like the bulls are going to be able to essentially resume banging on the 95-cent door right out of the get-go tomorrow. So all in all, though, any way you look at it, great way to start off the week. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.